over here at the Whale Sanctuary over here in Honolulu. Look at that. Pretty. The sun is coming out brighter than ever today. You can see, y'all. Look at that. That's the mountain way up there. And you got all of these right here. So y'all see it. Yeah. Look how blue that water is. Be sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. So now I'm just gonna just have it right here so y'all can see and enjoy. And I'ma just stop. Light tower up there. You can see it's really small, but yeah. I'm turning it, y'all, so y'all can see, get all of what I'm getting from here, the Whale Sanctuary. Enjoy, guys. Y'all ever in Honolulu, make sure y'all check this place out. It's the Whale Sanctuary over here next to Blowhole. Lookout, Blowhole Lookout, that's what it's called, guys. I'm not gonna be up here long because I have other sites to show y'all, but I hope y'all enjoy the water, looking at this beautiful water, this beautiful place. I am definitely grateful to be here, to live here for a while in Hawaii. Very lovely. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Oh, I'm getting tongue-tied, but y'all understand what I'm saying. It's very beautiful. Look how blue that water is. Waves are in. So beautiful. Give y'all one more look around, and then I'm going to the next site.